Most people treat their 9 to 5 job like it's a trap, but I'm going to show you it actually might be the most powerful financial weapon that you own if you know how to use it properly. And I'm going to explain in 3 simple steps how you can make your first $10,000 and beyond. Now, there are actually 2 types of 9 to 5 jobs that can make you genuinely wealthy. Now, type number 1 is a commission-based role. So think tech sales, think real estate, think insurance. And what this really is you have a small base salary, let's say $2,000. But the key thing is there is no ceiling on your income, right? There is no ceiling whatsoever. The better you get, the more you earn. A top salesperson isn't making 50k a year, he's making 50k per quarter. Because the reality is, if you're working a 9 to 5 job, you cannot rely purely on your time to make money. You need to find a way to make money independent of your time, whether that's inside your 9 to 5 job as a salesperson or outside of your 9 to 5 job, which we'll talk about in a second. But there's another hidden bonus that most people completely miss. You are learning the most valuable skill in business, which is selling, because every millionaire, without exception, they know how to sell, every single one of them, and you cannot put a price on that education. So if you're in a sales role, you're literally getting paid to learn how to sell. And type number 2 is a startup, and I mean working for a startup. And this one is massively slept on, because when you join an early stage startup, not Google, not Amazon, a real scrappy startup, you can negotiate equity, and we're talking 0.5% to 1% of the entire company. And I know you're thinking, how am I going to get rich with just 1% equity of a company? Well, let me give you the maths of this, right? Because companies get acquired all of the time, and you don't need to find the next Facebook. Although, let me just tell you this, the original Facebook employees are all billionaires from equity alone, so you can get rich working for a startup. But don't forget this, a decent startup gets sold for $50 million, which happens consistently and is not rare at all. So if you had a 1% equity in that company, you just put 500 grand in your account, right? $500,000 from a 9 to 5 job. But the real bonus, and this is absolutely crucial, is you just watch a successful business get built from nothing to $50 million or however much it got sold for, right? The operations, the decisions, the mistakes, you know when you start your own company exactly what to do from start to finish, and that right there is invaluable. And if you're interested in working for a startup, go look at Y Combinator jobs, go look at startup job boards, just start searching, because the reality is, if you're truly committed, you're going to find the right opportunity for you. Now, whichever 9 to 5 job you're in, here's the truth. Yes, your time is taken, right? Every single day, obviously you've got to put the 9 to 5 in. There's also the commute, the meetings, the emails. By the time you get home in the evening, the day is basically gone. But here's what the job is quietly handing you every single month without fail that most people completely waste, and it is a stable, guaranteed paycheck. And that money is hitting your account every single month while you're sleeping, while you're working, while you build your own business. And that is not a track, that is a foundation, and this is the thing that entrepreneurs spend years trying to create, which you already have every single month. Make sure you use it to your advantage. And the question is not, oh, Atif, I don't earn that much money, right? That is not the question. The question is what you do with the money the moment it lands into your bank account. Because that one decision made consistently is the difference between being comfortable for just a year or being wealthy for the rest of your life. Now, I won't lie to you, evenings after a long commute working at your 9 to 5 job, you're not going to be your sharpest, you're not going to be your most productive, so work on your business when you can, but don't beat yourself up. But the weekends, I'll be completely honest with you, they're the only fresh, full days that you have to yourself. If you want to become financially free, it is non-negotiable. You must use those weekends to build a business, to build a side income outside of your 9 to 5 job. Now, another mistake I see people doing is they chase just one income source, right? What you want to do instead is you want to start stacking small income streams. I know your goal is probably 10k a month. That's absolutely great. Keep that as your goal. But your first goal is to make another $100 a month, and then another, and stack them up over and over and over again. Because here's what every wealthy person on the planet has in common. Every single one of them, without exception, they have multiple income sources, not just one income source, multiple ones all the time. Because the beautiful part about having multiple income sources is you can easily scale them all simultaneously, and of course, the more income sources you have, the absolute better. So for example, I make 20k a month consistently. I don't even know how many income sources I have. That is not to brag, it's just deliberately, right? And of course, when I started out, I was not on 20k a month, but over time, these income sources, these little seeds will grow into massive trees. Now, the second step that you want to do is you want to use your paycheck to buy back your time, and there are really 2 ways of doing this. Now, the first is software automation. With AI, you can basically automate everything at this point. Now, you want to use your paycheck to buy systems that will do the heavy lifting for you while you're working your 9 to 5 job. So you can have your business running while you're working your job. This is what I used to do, right? And you can have both things happening simultaneously, because the reality is when you're working a 9 to 5 job, your time, your most valuable asset, is taken. So you need to use your money, whatever money you have, even if it's an extra $100 a month, to start outsourcing it so you can have some real leverage. Now, the second is people, and there are incredibly talented people people across the world, especially in places like Africa and Asia, who will manage your social media, do your admin, do whatever you really need, right? And for $5 to $10 an hour, or even a slightly bit more. So you could use your 9-to-5 paycheck to have other employees building your business for you, and that is real leverage, and that is exactly how you stop trading your time for money. And yes, you're probably thinking, Atif, it is possible. You could be an employee at a job and also have employees working for you, right? You can do that, right? It's not illegal. You can actually do that. So hopefully you're starting to see a 9-to-5 job. It's not as bad as it seems. Now, is that where you want to be long term? Absolutely not. But you got to play the cards, right? You've got a 9-to-5 job. You've got a stable paycheck. You know, you're probably making some decent money. Use that to your advantage. Hire employees. Buy software, do what you can. Now, a quick one before I get into step 3 is every single week I send out 4 professionally made newsletters on business, on making money, on investing, professionally researched, and completely for free. So go check it out. It's in the pinned comment down below. And if you like this video, which you should do, right? I've given you a lot of value. Make sure you like and subscribe for more great videos just like this. And step number 3, and this is going to get me angry, right? Because I hate when this happens, right? But most people completely blow it at this step. And I know someone genuinely making an extra £500 a month in the UK, and guess what he does with that money? He uses it to buy a car on lease. So that car cost him £500 a month, so he is literally working and using his side hustle to buy a depreciating asset. Do not be that guy. Do not waste the money that you make from your side hustle on pointless stuff. Because here's the one rule that's going to change your financial life. Every dollar you make from your side hustle in the early days, you're going to reinvest it. Every single penny that you make. Use it to buy back your time, hire someone to do the parts that you hate, and buy a tool that automates the parts that are eating into your evenings and weekends. You want to reinvest the money that you make so it produces more money next month than it did this month. Because $500 invested becomes $1,000, and $1,000 reinvested becomes $2,000, and of course it compounds from there. You are not spending your way to freedom, you are compounding your way there. The car can wait, the holiday can wait, the upgrade can wait, because the moment you start pulling money out too early, you kill the compounding, you reset the clock, and you go back to trading your time for money. Keep reinvesting the money that you make until the streams run without you, and then and only then do you start spending the money. It's stupidly simple, it just requires some discipline. 3 simple steps is all you need to make $10,000 and beyond. You want to pick the right 9-to-5 job if you can. Don't worry if you can't, just use the stable paycheck. You want to stack multiple income sources, and you want to start leveraging people and assets rather than your own time. Now you might be thinking, oh T, that sounds great and all, but I just want a little bit of money to just help me out my bills, right? So go check out this video where I show you 7 easy, realistic ways you can make an extra $1,000 a month.